Hello viewers, I'm Advocate Kier Abbas from Lexington Company. Today I'm going to talk about summons and the procedure of summons. So, a summons is a legal document that is issued by a court on a person involved in a legal proceeding when a legal action is taken against a person or when any person is required to appear in the court as a witness in a proceeding to call upon such person ensured in his presence on the given of the proceeding. Summons are served. A summons is served when a suit has been initiated by the plaintiff against the defendant. The court directs to issue summons to the defendant as it ensures a fair trial. If the summons are not duly served, then no action can be taken against the defendant. So it is a fair proceedings. If non-serving of the summons and the person against whom it had been issued does not appear in the court, then his will be taken as a contempt of court and shall be punished accordingly. The summons is the decedent of the weight of the common law. Section 27 of Order 25, Section 27 and Order 5 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 deals with the service of summons to the defendant, and the Code of Criminal Procedure from Section 61 to 69 deals with the topic of summons. Below this, the content relating to the summons under CRPC. How should be the form of summons? Section 61. Every summons issued by the court under this code shall in writing in duplicate signed by the presiding officers of such court by other officer as the High Court may from time to time may direct the rule and shall be here the seal of the court. Now, mode of service of summons, Section 62. Every summons shall be served by a police officer or subject to such rules as the state government may in this behalf by an officer of the court issuing in order to public serving. The summons shall, if practicable, by served personally on the person summoned by delivering and tendering to him one of the duplicates of the summons. Every person to whom summons is served shall is also be the serving officer shall have a receipt therefore on the back of the order duplicate. So, summons for corporate bodies is given under Section 63. Service of summons on a corporate may be effected by serving it on the secretary, local manager or other principal officer of the company, or by a letter sent by the registered post addressed to the chief officer of the corporation in India. So this is what the concept of the summons is all about, how it is served and by what mode it can be served. I hope you are clear with the concept of the summons. If not, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll clear all your doubt regarding the summons, its modes and how it can be served or how it's served. Till then, take care of yourself guys. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other topics.